Today is the fifth day of Navratri, and the color associated with it is white. Namaste, viewers. Welcome to ST Money's Morning News, your weekday business news channel. It is Monday morning, October 7, 2024, and I'm your host, Sunil Thakker of Sunny Talks Money. Let's roll. The stock market highlights from Friday, October 4, 2024. In a highly volatile session on October 4, the Indian equity markets ended on a negative note, extending their losing streak amid escalating geopolitical tensions. Geopolitical tensions between Israel and Iran and a rise in foreign outflows have played a major role in the drop in Indian equities this week. At close, the Sensex was down 808 points, or 0.98%, at 81,688, and the Nifty was down 200 points, or 0.79%, at 25,049. For the week, the BSE Sensex and the Nifty 50 shared 4.5% each, which is the biggest weekly fall since July 2022. The escalating Middle East conflict raised worries that the crude supplies from the top oil-producing region may be disrupted. That has pushed crude oil prices higher, which hurts net importers such as India. After a negative start, the market started recovering in the initial hours on Friday, with Nifty moving towards 25,500 in the first half an hour. However, in the second half, profit booking at higher levels dragged the Nifty below 25,000 on an intraday basis. The day ended in favor of bears as 37 out of the 50 constituent stocks of the Nifty 50 ended in the red, dragged down by Mahindra & Mahindra, Bajaj Finance, Nestle India, BPCL, and Hero MotoCorp. Conversely, Infosys, ONGC, HDFC Life Insurance Company, Tata Motors, and Wipro were among the 13 constituent stocks that ended in the green. The Bank Nifty closed the day trading 0.56% lower at 51,556. The broader indices ended in the red too, with Nifty Midcap 100 and the Nifty Small Cap 100 settling down by 1.10% and 0.9% respectively. The sectors that bore the brunt of the downturn were FMCG, auto, media, realty, and OMCs, all of which fell by more than 1%. Notably, the Nifty Media Index plummeted the most. It fell 2.53%. However, IT and PSU bank indices succeeded in eking out some gains, ending higher by 0.45% and 0.61% respectively. That said, the Fear Index, India VIX, ended higher by 7.27% at 14.13 points. In the US markets on Friday, all three major indexes got a major boost on the back of blowout jobs report. The strong data also showed surprise decline in unemployment rate. The Dow Jones Industrial Average registered record high close at 42,352 after rising 341 points. The S&P 500 gained 51 points to 5,751, and the Nasdaq Composite added 219 points to 18,137. Brent crude, the global oil benchmark, has risen in volatile trading as traders assess how geopolitical events could affect supply. Brent crude this morning was trading near 78 at $77.60 a barrel. Gold is steady at rupees 76,260 per 10 grams. Now, for today's outlook for the Indian market. On the daily charts, Nifty formed a bearish candlestick pattern with a long upper shadow indicating consistent selling pressure at higher levels. Additionally, the pattern of lower levels and lower lows have continued for the past 4 days. The formation of long upper shadows over the last 3 sessions suggests a sell on rise opportunity in the market. On the weekly chart, Nifty formed a long bear candle following the 3 white soldiers pattern in the previous 3 weeks, closing down 4.5% for the week. This is a negative signal suggesting a reversal pattern based on both smaller and larger time frames. Nifty has fallen decisively below the 50-day EMA, that's exponential moving average, of 25,065 for the first time since June, and the 10-week EMA of 25,106 for the first time since May, though it managed to close above the psychological 25,000 mark. Given its ability to hold the 25,000 level on a closing basis, along with the ongoing selling pressure, there may be potential bounce back next week towards the 25,300 to 25,500 zone. However, a decisive close below these levels of 25,000 could open the door to the September low of 24,750 and the 20-week EMA of around 24,500. Stocks on the radar today: Titan, Geo Financial Services, Bandhan Bank, Lupin, CG Power, Diffusion Engineers, Gale, IndusInd Bank, Poonawalla FinCorp, AU Small Finance Bank, Godrej Properties, Macrotech Developers, Federal Bank, Metropolis Healthcare, Anthony Waste Handling Cell, and 197 Communications PATM will be in focus on October 7. That's today. Expect the markets to consolidate this week amid cautiousness due to the fear of increasing tensions in West Asia. With the start of the earnings season this week, stock-specific action will continue. Also, the focus will remain on interest-sensitive stock amid the RBI policy meeting this week. Although rate cut is not on the table, commentary will hold great importance. That's it for today. What do you think the markets are going to do today? Let us know in the comment section. In the meantime, happy investing, stay inspired, and remember, it is all about money.